Alright, there's gloves. That's weird. Hey, see if you can grab that VIN. I hear you on. 727. If we have any additional units, can we send them our way? We do hear some arguing out in the wood line.
Dispatch in, unit, take a break free.
Yeah, this is somewhere.
Oh! Down. Crap, and of course I don't have my rifle.
721 Charles, we just heard 3 to 5 more shots very close to R20.
Is this a canine thing again?
I don't know. 27 to 10 or 20, you direct?
Yeah, we're around 6.
Should we start giving out commands, I guess?
That's what I was thinking.
Alright. Yeah, watch me. It's the Metro Police Department! Come out with your hands up!
Metro Police, drop the weapon or we will shoot! Come out of the woods with your hands up now! If you do not comply, we will release the dog! We will release the canine if you do not comply!
He said fuck you.
Yeah, you don't have a rifle, do you?
No, I got a shotgun.
My rifle's freaking out.
721, 2 more shots.
Seven
723, we gave command. He told us that he's not going to come out of the woods, and then he fired 2 more shots. I know that they were towards us.
Do we have like SWAT or something? But maybe wait for Sarge, I guess. Yeah, stay low, use the engine block.
721, 1 more shot.
This is definitely a SWAT call out. But I'm not sure if we need to wait for Sarge.
Hey guys, how far up are you? From the shooter, approximately 50 yards, maybe 100.
I don't know if we need to back up.
Metro Police, come out with your hands up now! Drop the weapon or we will release the dog!
For now, I don't think he's shooting at us. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just.
Try to unlock your car from where you're at. I'll try to use the loudspeaker. 723, just get some more command.
Okay, that.
Yep, back there.
27. We confirm that he is shooting at us now at this point.
With your hands up! Walk towards the road!
Hard from the system.
We need to see your hands! If you come out peacefully, it will not be harmed!
Sir, come out peacefully. We do not want to hurt you. If you come out with your hands up, we'll let you smoke a cigarette.
Hit him with the flood now and see what happens.
Hey, hit your floodlight.
See what happens. See if that does it any better. Nah. You can see his hand. He keeps reaching down.
Sir, we do not want to shoot you, please. Come out with your hands up.
He just pulled something out. Left hand. Not sure what he's got.
I can't tell what he keeps.
That whatever it
puts down on
was.
the
Yeah.
ground for.
Well, whatever that is black. Looks bigger than a lighter to me. Might be a phone.
He says he's got a phone and he says he wants a light.
Put your hands up!
This is the Nashville Police Department. Put your hands up, turn around and walk backwards towards the road. If you do not, you will not be harmed if you come out peacefully.
Coming down. Direct them where you need them.
SUV's coming down.
Watch where they're drawing the command. If you got a SUV coming down towards us, have them come to the very front of the column.
We're right there on the right.
Elsie, can you send up a pair of binos up here? They're in the back of my SUV. Did you pop a hatch?
Drop what's in your hand. Put your hands up and walk towards the road. You will not be harmed if you come out peacefully. We need to see your heads.
He's got a
You should be right in the middle once you pop that hatch.
Can we let him get in the woods, Tom?
No, we'll lose visual. And we have no containment on the backside. Stand by.
Come in, go ahead. There's a call pending that very likely could give you some intel on your suspect. 10-4, thank you.
No, come out with your hands up. We do not want to hurt you.
Can't let him get in the woods.
Put your hands up and walk towards the road. You will not be harmed if you come out peacefully. This is the Nashville Police Department. Show us your hands and walk towards the road. You will not be harmed. Show us your hands and walk.
Oh shit! Stand by. Stand by.
Your phone?
Show us your hands and walk.
Report, was anybody hit in that exchange?